Hi, I'm Akhil. Welcome to Java Programming Channel. Today I'm discussing about structure in C. Is what is structure in C? Structure is combined of different data type. You can also see group of different data type. So how to create structure in C? S include stdio.h standard input output. Next, struct the keyword for creation struct. Like struct name is student. You can take whatever. Like example, int id char name. You can declare more variable like int char name, char address, float fee details, etc. But I am taking two variable int id char name. Next, void main. Thereupon, how to use struct. First of all, struct use struct keyword and struct name student and declare variable of structure. Like example std. Initialize the sum variable. Slice the sum value in struct variable. So we need std dot id id equal 1 std name some name kill. I want fetch this value, so percent d and percent d for id and decimal type data, percent s message string type of data. Next, std dot id comma std dot name. Save. Structure dot c. Finally run this code. One id and name is Akil. Benefit of struct, we can declare and define different type different data type in single group. You can also say uh, user defined data type where we can declare different variable in a single group. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more video. Thank you so much.